With TCS, you're not a tourist, you're a traveler.
Traveling with TCS has made traveling the world extraordinarily easy and comfortable.
It's extremely efficient by going from one activity to the next, and everything just works right.
You never touch a luggage, never touch it. And then you get to the hotel, they have a hospitality desk waiting for you to hand you your key, and you go to your room and magically your luggage appears.
Each of the countries we've visited has been about the local culture.
You go from one culture to another and another. It's fascinating how you think you've seen it all until you get to the next place, and then you see different people, different cultures, and it's really an experience that is outstanding.
We met wonderful people.
You're basically held by the hand.
I was very impressed with the organization of the entire team here. Very friendly, very patient.
Everything is completely organized down to the most minute details.
Never crowded, never a big bus. We own a private jet for 3 weeks.
In many ways, transform our lives because now we can travel in a much more comfortable way.
Traveling with TCS has been absolutely amazing.
Extraordinary.
It's been once in a lifetime.
One of the most amazing experiences of my life.
An exciting, unique adventure that we would never have wanted to miss.